Hi, Styles.
Hey,
What are you making today?
another green.
Green jello. All right, good job. Okay, what's our first step? Okay, pour the jello. All right, get it all in. Good job. Okay. Next, it's time to add boiling hot water. Okay, we're gonna have help with the hot water, okay, because it's so hot. That's right, step back. Safety first.
Green.
All right, good job. Okay, now we're gonna stir. All right. Yep, go ahead and give it a stir. Good job.
I feel making yellow.
Stir for 2 minutes. Next step, add 1 cup cold water. Oh, add water. Good job. Okay, give it a stir. What does it smell like? Let's give it a smell. Does that smell yummy?
Good.
Yeah, what color is that?
Green.
It's green, good job. Now we have to refrigerate for 4 hours.
Meanwhile.
What do you have there?
Potato.
Play-Doh.
Potato.
Cookies, sandwiches, bananas, and strawberries. You want to open it up?
Yes.
All right, let's play a little bit.
Wow. Everybody.
Oh, that looks yummy.
Not me.
Yeah, right. Do you like strawberries?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I want some babies. Hey, big, I'm happy for me.
Eventually.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you ready to see how our green cookie jello turned out? Okay, take the top off.
Toy.
You found a toy?
Yeah.
What? Take it out.
Yeah, hi.
Oh, look at it, all goopy.
Oh.
Slimy. Now it's time to taste.
Okay.
Let's see if it tastes yummy.
Hey.
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah, cookies. I can get toy prize it. Yeah. I can prize it.
You got the prize out. Okay, let's see what surprise toy you got from your slimy jello.
Look. Can I breathe this? Can I breathe this? Can I breathe it?
Wanna put it together? Looks like a duck. Looks like Daisy Duck to me. I think
a
it's
ducky.
Daisy. It's a ducky?
Yeah, a ducky.
Who'd you get?
I feel
Daisy.
a Daisy.
You got Daisy.
I feel X prize.
You already got the surprise out. Taste some of your goop.
I feel
Oh, Daisy Duck is in the jello.
this got slime.
Yeah, slimy Daisy.
You got different daddy. Okay, good.
Oh no. Oh no.
That's slime.
Bye.
Okay, watching. Bye.
Okay, friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.